we will learn a very interesting lesson, chemical bond. What are atoms? Atoms are the basic fundamental particles. They exist either as single or as group of atoms. By the late 19th century and the early 20th century, scientists found three forces existing, that is, gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. When the atoms combine together or come together, a bond is formed. It is the electrostatic force which helps in the bond formation. There is also some kind of attraction of a nuclei over the other nuclei of another atom. And also there is attraction and repulsion between these atoms. If the attraction is more than the repulsion, then a bond formation takes place. And if repulsion is more, no bond will be formed. Only the outermost electrons, that is the valence electrons, will participate in the chemical bond formation. Periodic classification has put a very important scope or light to chemical bond. Valence electrons, that is the last shell electrons, I already told you, will take part in the bond formation. Now, the 8A group elements, that is noble gases, helium, symbol is He. Neon symbol in T, next one, neon is Ne. Argon, Ar, and krypton, Kr, with atomic numbers 2, 10, 18, 36. The electronic configuration can be taken as K shell, L shell, N shell and N shell. For helium, 2 electrons, only 2 electrons, so 2 electrons in the K shell, whereas neon has 10. So it is 2, 8. Argon has 18, it is 2, maximum 8 and then 8. Krypton has 36, so it is 2, 8, 18 and 8. So let's write down the valence electrons in the last column. Let us observe a pattern. The valence electrons, helium has only 2 valence electrons, neon has 8, argon has 8 and krypton also has 8. We see a pattern. Exception for helium, except helium. మిగతా అన్ని elements కి 8 electrons last shell లో ఉన్నాయి. So it has 8 electrons in the last shell. They are considered, now these noble gas elements are considered to be stable because they have 8 electron structure and they are also chemically inert. They do not participate in a chemical bond formation. Except helium, because helium has 2 electrons in the last shell and its only shell is completely filled. Using this method, that is only the valence shell electrons, Lewis proposed or gave a Lewis dot structure, depicted a Lewis dot structure, a method to denote the valency electronic configuration.